This one is really exciting because let me just tell you, the value that I was able to get this to you at is absolutely positively insane. Okay. Like mind blowing insane. This is, and I'm excited about this because we've had so much trouble getting blocks, as you all know. So this is a set. It isn't a whole enchilada type thing because it is acrylic. Where am I? It is acrylic blocks. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. All the warnings we have to have on there. Okay. You are getting three mini blocks. And I guess I should have my, can you fix my messages when you get a chance? So these are, let me open these because these are, so this is, let's see, I'm pretty sure I know, but I want to double check. 1 by 1 inch. Okay. Perfect for your little icons, anything like that. They even got my little icon flower on there. It's hard to see on camera, but yes, it's on there. So there's one. Now it does have, if they look scratched, rest assured, it does have the plastic coating. You know how you have to peel off that. So the plastic coating is on there. You just got to peel it off. Because they don't want them to scratch during shipping because that would be sad, right? Not that it really matters. Really doesn't matter. I've never noticed it if it has scratches before, but you can take that off. Yeah, it's only on one side, so you don't have to worry, but boom, 3 of those. Okay. So you're getting 3 of those. You're also getting this round one. So the selection is really awesome because it's like all these things you're going to use. So there is a grid. Oh, can you see the grid? I know it's hard to see. You're getting a grid on this one. Wait, what if I do this? No, it's still not. You're getting a grid on this one. Cute little icon flower as well. And this one, just to give you an idea, this is 2.5 by, I'm guessing 2.5, 2.5. Okay. Then you're getting this one, which is square, and it is 2 by 2. Then you're getting this one, you guys, this is so amazing. Okay. Then you're getting this one, and it is 1 by 4 for like your long sentiments, right? Your long sentiments. Can you do me a favor and fix my messages, please? Then let's look at this one, which this one, for some reason, I thought got taken out because of the price, but I guess it didn't. And these are really, really engraved. Like, you guys, seriously, I could put my fingernail in there, okay? This is not a light, so you're going to put, of course, your stamp on the other side. What's funny, though, is when they sent me the samples, they had the protective cover on this side, and that would have meant that you had to peel separately every single square. And I said, no, I do not want that. I'm like, that's impossible for me. And I didn't want it for you either. So the plastic's going to be on the other side. How thick is this? Let's see. It is a hair shy of 1/2 inch. Now, this one is great because it has that larger surface, but, let me tell you the size of this one. This one is 5 by 3. But wait, my friends, because look at this one. Look at this one. This is like the biggest block you will probably ever need in a million years. And it is 6 inches by 4 inches. This is the size of a photo, like photo, if you did 4 by 6 photos. Like, that is absolutely amazing. 4 by 6. So you have 4 by 6, 3 by 5, 1 by 4, 2 by 2, 2.5 by 2.5, 1, 1, 1. And that is what's in the kit. Yes, they are thicker, you guys. These are thicker than other ones that you've seen in the past from other companies. I insist on, they had to they sent me samples and it was the thinner ones. And I'm like, no. And the factory's like, well, no, that's what everybody uses. And I said, I know that's the problem. I said, no, these have to be thicker. I have to be able to get my fingers on there. My fingers are big. I need to have a place to, hold. And so then they sent me these. It's a hair shy of 1/2 inch. I'm going to say approximately 1/2 inch because that's as close as we can get. They are great sizes. And in all honesty, the grids, I know you're thinking, oh, I don't really need the grids. But when you start using the grids, you will fall in love with them. Just saying. Just saying. So this is available on the website. It is item number 920927. And will they have a craft cart? I have not heard. Probably. They usually do. They usually do. And keep an eye on the price. Just watch the price and keep an eye on it, because, you know, sometimes they play with the prices, and that is really, really awesome. Really, really awesome. So grids are a game changer, Brene. Yes, absolutely. I'm telling you, they really are, because, and it's funny because you always think, oh, I really don't need a grid. I'm not going to pay extra for a grid. But when you have the grids, you're like, whoa, especially for alphabet letter stamps. In fact, I need to write this down, Kenny. I need to make sure I take alphabet letter stamps, okay, when I go to HSN, because I need to show that absolutely positively need to show that, right?